give grace and mercy. Thank you for this food we're about to receive. May it nourish our bodies and our minds. In Jesus' name. Amen. Good job.
Has always been time for a few questions. As a reminder, we'll have time for you to answer some more. So if you haven't already... My truck and vehicle!
Your construction vehicles?
Yeah.
What you got?
I got
vehicle. We got many? Which ones? Excavator. Okay, cool. You got all your tools. You ready to go dig? You ready to go dig? You go to the beach? It's cold outside. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna rain. Your tools. All your construction vehicles. Sam. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Happy Monday. Happy Black History Month. And today is the 1st of February. Alright, so I'm trying to open this box. Because I don't know if this is... I ordered my camera. A stimmy drop, so I ordered my camera. I don't know if this is it or not. This might be something Thomas ordered. No, this is your stuff, baby. I thought this was it, but it's not. So we're still waiting on my package to come. It's supposed to come today. I don't know what time. I think either FedEx or UPS is delivering it, so it didn't come through the regular mail. So I can wait. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer until they drop it off. So when it does come, I'm just gonna open it so you guys can see. I got the Canon M50. I'm excited because hopefully this just like kind of like boosts my photography and my videos and stuff. So yeah, I'm excited to get that. And I think later on I'm just gonna go to the store. So my agenda for today is I'm gonna go to the store. I gotta get food to eat, and then I gotta get milk and stuff for the boys. Thomas wants a couple of things out of the store too. Yeah, so that's the agenda for today. But I wanted to show you guys the closet organizer we got over the weekend. Thomas organized our closet, and it looks really good. So he got this closet system. Yeah, he got this closet system, I think from Home Depot. That's to kind of organize the room a little bit more, or the closet a little bit more. The gender reveal is gonna go before this, so we have a lot of Kindle's clothes hung up. Some of the boys, mine, and then Thomas's, and then just, you know, storage stuff up top. But yeah, it came out pretty nice. I like it. And then we got, I think I showed you guys the laundry basket we got. This 4-compartment laundry rolly basket we got. And then we got some hangers because, yeah, we need hangers. And I wanted the hangers to look more uniform, so that's why we got hangers. I think we got, hey, Torian, okay, no more. No more, no more, no more. No more. We got 50 gray swivel hangers. So I'm gonna open the box so you guys can see. Oh, wow! You can see that. Oh, wow. Yeah, these are nice. So they're velvet gray hangers. They say what did they say? It holds up to what? 12 pounds? I think it was 12 pounds. This a heavy coat it said, so yeah. These are nice. I want to get some for the kids, so I'll probably get like smaller kid size hangers for them. Yeah, those are the hangers. So when my camera comes, I'm gonna pick up the other. No, when my other camera comes, I'm gonna pick this camera up and continue talking to you guys. But Thomas got some stuff for internet.
But that's it. You're gonna come like, put some of the clothes on the hangers and stuff. Why not?
Yeah, right now.
When you gonna wait to do it too?
Later.
And then we'll get done because you know I'm gonna do it.
No. It's been about, what time am I looking? 11? It's 2:30 now. So 11, 12, 1, 2. It's been about 3 hours since I talked to you guys. Camera still hasn't come yet, but I'm about to go to the store to get the stuff that we need for tonight, making boxed lasagna because I'm really not in the mood to cook. So I'm gonna get dinner for tonight, other stuff that we need. Hopefully when I come back, the camera will be here. Hopefully. And Thomas was like, well, can I open it if it comes? I said no, because that just takes away from me opening it. Why would you do that to me? I'm on the way to the store. Now I gotta go to big Walmart because our neighborhood Walmart never has anything that we need. It never has the milk the boys need, like the breakfast stuff we eat, simple stuff. It doesn't have like that stuff that we usually use. So I have to go all the way to the big Walmart, which isn't like too far from the house. It's only like 10 minutes from our house.
Spend the rest of my life with the same one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Tryna spend the rest of my life with my day one. Ain't no INT.
I'm gonna be pissed if I wasn't recording. I probably wasn't. Oh no. I just put all those groceries in the back and I probably wasn't even recording that. I suck. Oh, that was a workout, y'all. I didn't feel like recording in there. I already spent way too much time in there to begin with, so take this mask off so I can breathe. Put some hand sanitizer on. Alright, y'all, I'm about to head home. I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Alright, y'all. I'm home. Big old box. Can't even see that because of the light. Let's see if this is it. Oh. Sir, can you get down, please? Get down. Cheese. Stop yelling. Get down. Big old bag. Look.
You gotta show the camera, baby.
I ain't want that.
No, I'm talking. I'm actually.
Wait, don't pick that up. First off, we got camera, Canon M50, and then I got a 50-inch tripod. Watch out, Sam. And then it came with a microphone. I think there's an SD card in here, a 32 gigabyte memory card. Now we get to open the camera. So it comes with a lens already. Strap. Camera. Battery charger. Battery.
Come over here.
And then the lens. So.
You want me to fix something?
I wanted the all white camera, but they didn't have any like good bundles on Amazon that I like, so I stuck with black, which is fine. This is what the camera looks like. It has a flip. If I get it, a flip out screen, which rotates and bends, so you can. And then the battery charger. I wonder if the batteries are like
the same battery?
No, these are bigger actually.
Daddy, mommy.
Hmm.
I dancing.
We dancing.
Yeah.
Stop, Lulu. Stop. Torian. Stop.
Power it is. The battery might be dead actually.
Got away. Yeah.
I think the battery's dead. Oh, no it's not. It's a switch. Instead of the power button, it's a switch that turns it on and off. And then the screen, I think is touch screen. Yeah. The screen is touch screen. You can't really see because it's bright. But yeah, it's touch screen, and then this is the lens.
Hi.
I'm about to make a payment on my card. I think I have at least one more payment left, maybe one or two. I'm about to call and see now. Hi, I'm calling to make a payment on my account.
And your account number for La Krystal?
Yes, ma'am.
43343?
Yes, ma'am.
Then your card number? Or do you need a confirmation number?
No, but if it's possible, can you tell me how much the balance is? The remaining balance?
Actually, if you paid, you only owe $432.83 and you're paid off.
Oh, so this is my last payment?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Hold on, let me run your last payment. Hold on.
Okay.
All right, La Krystal, you have paid off, and if you give me 10 business days, you can go down to the DMV and you can get your title, or you can leave your title at the DMV. Because in the state of Florida now, all titles are electronic.
Okay.
All right. Well, thank you, and you have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Bye.
Bye. That was it, baby. Yep. They said something about, she said I could get the title in 10 days. Y'all done, Sam. Yay. Alright, y'all, so my case for my M50 came in today. And I wanted to put that on. This case on. I went with yellow. Just to kind of spruce it up a little bit. Because on my G7 Mark II, I have, it's kind of like gray, beigeish color case, and I wanted to, you know, have a little bit more life on the M50, so this is what, so I went with yellow. I'm making sure everything kind of lines up before I put it on. Okay. Hey, I like it. I like it. Say hi. Hi. Daddy. Okay, quality, come through. Yes. Guys, just got a new refrigerator delivered. She gray. So the guys had a hard time trying to bring it through the door, so they had to take take one of the doors off. But we have a little water dispenser. I don't think it's usable yet because the water's not hooked up. I have to go through our old refrigerator, and y'all, the mess that is it. It's messy, y'all. It's messy. And I feel like this refrigerator is kind of smaller on the inside than this one is. And plus, I still gotta throw stuff away out of that refrigerator anyway. I already Lysoled everything. Not Lysol, but I wet wiped it with some Lysol wipes. And now I just have to go through the unfortunate task of switching everything over from this refrigerator to that refrigerator. It's Saturday. Happy Saturday, y'all. I haven't vlogged for the last couple of days. I just haven't been feeling like vlogging. So I'm gonna switch everything over from here, put all the dirty dishes in the sink, and then get ready to go.
It's a draft. Yeah. All my friends pulled up for good vibes. We know that the goodbyes could mean gone too soon. We ain't tryna live forever. Just live it up. Baby, I know life's better when I'm with you. We ain't tryna live for. Okay. Hey, whole gang go up when it's sundown. Let this song play while I dance with you. Cause one day there won't be no one around. And I wanna love while I can on you. No one really knows when it's all said.
Okay, guys, so the refrigerator is cleaned out. Not like cleaned out, like, you know, clean, but everything is thrown away out of there. I got everything out of the freezer and put into that freezer. Now I'm just take the magnets off, the ultrasound pictures off, and transfer to that I'm out of breath. Transfer to that refrigerator. These are all the dishes. Not too many actually. They came out of the refrigerator, and then I got 2 bags worth of food and stuff that needs to be thrown away. So all in all, that didn't take too long. I'm gonna sit down for 2 seconds. Yes, I'm actually gonna end the vlog here. Let me catch my breath first.
Hi.
Hi.
I got
You stinky. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little week in our life vlog. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to join our tribe and stay connected to our family. Thomas isn't here, so I'm just gonna say his part. Thank you guys so much for watching. We love you guys. God bless. Peace. Sam, say peace. Peace. Say peace, boo-boo. Peace. Peace. We love you guys. Bye.